Good day everyone. Welcome to this video. Today, I will do the teaching demonstration of the detailed lesson plan. But before that, we have three objectives. The number one objectives, identify the purpose and operation of the cooling system. Then the number two, apply the basic parts of the cooling system. Since we don't have a shop here, disregard the number two. Let's proceed to the number 3. The show of appreciation of the significance of the cooling system. Morning once again, class. Arrange your chair. Loni Malcampo, can you please lead a prayer? Amen. Thank you. What we have discussed yesterday. Loni. Okay, thank you. Did you understand the topic yesterday? Very good. So today, we have a new topic, the discussions. But before that, if you are participate on this class, I will give you the plus point on the final exam. Okay, today, I will show you the pictures and see it. What is the function of this picture. I will give you the 3 minutes to identify this picture. 3 minutes after. What is the pictures all about, class? Okay, very good. So, what is the purpose of the engine in the vehicle? Tony. Okay, thank you. Well, okay, class, do you have a idea what is our discussion today? Okay, thank you. It's all about the cooling system. Today, I'll discuss to you about the cooling system. But before that, I'll give you the puzzles. So, find the parts of the cooling system under the puzzles. So this is the puzzles tables. So encircle the parts of the cooling system under here on the puzzle table. So whether it's the Venn diagram, horizontal or diagonal. Okay, class, we have a group discussion today. So, find the group into 5. So, since we don't have a pictures here, so I'll send it the 5 parts of the cooling system on our GC. So, get your phone, class, and see it the pictures on your phone. Okay, class, we have a basic parts of the cooling system. The 5 parts of the cooling system. We have A, water, jacket, water pump, radiator, fan, and thermostat. What we're going to do is to study these pictures, identify what is the purpose of these pictures, and write the significance of these parts of the cooling system. Class, are you ready to discuss your 5 parts of the basic cooling system? So, the number 1 will present the thermostat. Okay, present it. Okay, very good. Then the next group 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, well done. Thank you. Give it the clap for the presentations. So, what did you feel about the doing activities? Okay, Libby? Okay, thank you. It's happy. Very good. So, what is the importance of the cooling system in our vehicle? You, Robbie. Okay, very nice answer. Okay, class. Let's see what is your understanding about this topic. No? So, I will be calling the name. So, then I will ask the question. If you are correct, if your answer is correct, I will giving you the calamansi. Start. I will calling the name. So, Robbie Anastasio. So, here is the question. What did you feel to doing these activities about the cooling system? Okay, thank you. Very good, Robbie. Here is your prize. The next is Jeric Shano. So, what is the importance of this engine cooling system in our vehicle? So, okay. Thank you. Nice. Give it a clap, class. And next, later I will giving you your prize. Jeric Shano. Okay, the last. So, Mr. Loni Malcampo. So, give the one of the basic parts of the cooling system. Okay. The thermostat. Yes. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. The thermostat, it is responsible to deliver the cooling on an engine. Or the otherwise, it is absorb the heat of the engine. Okay, that's our discussion today. So thank you guys. So see, before I leave, we have a assignment. I'll give you the assignment. So the first, so class, write it on your notebooks. Okay, class, research more about the cooling system and give it the other parts of the cooling system, class. Class, since I did check your attendance earlier, so I will check your attendance now. So, did anybody absent here in our class? Okay, it's complete. Thank you, complete attendance. That's all, class. Okay, arrange your chair, class. So, goodbye, class. Okay, let's call it a day. Thank you.